Bitcoin versus gold versus stocks. What do you think will outperform in 2026? It's been a little bit of an unpredictable year for 2025 if you're only into crypto. But look at this, right? The stock market has hovered around new all-time highs. Stock holders made gains. Gold, silver, platinum, those holders definitely made a lot of gains. Will Bitcoin make a comeback, right? And so today I'm going to be looking at Bitcoin versus gold versus NASDAQ versus the stock market. What are the best choices, right, for 2026 and beyond? Maybe for the next 3 to 5 years. First of all, for Bitcoin, my intuition, my forecast has always been that I think 70% chance we couldn't make a new all-time high, right? If not, at least we'd get a pretty big bounce here. And I've been calling for a bottom around this just below 80K, so 79 to 78K, right? A lot of folks say 74K. I don't think we get there because everyone's looking at this obvious line of 74K. That's where we bounced off last time. This time, I think we do a lower low, right? And then up we go. Just to reiterate, right? We're about to get the Sunday close here. I do think we need to close above 88.2, right? 88.2 or slightly higher, say 88.8 or 88.9 would be ideal. That would turn this into a green bar and a bottoming tail. So we've had a bottoming tail here, right? That sets us up for a nice bounce in 2026. The thing is, I would have loved it if this line came down here further, closer down to like 80K or even 78, 79. Then I would be even more confident. Right now, if we close around here, bottoming tail, we might push up a little, might come down for one more bottoming tail, take out 78, 79, and boom, up we go. So the situation, right, with Bitcoin is that I think one more leg up. I think one more leg up for stocks as well, and also one more leg up for many more legs up to go for gold, silver, and platinum. But who will perform the best in 2026 and in the years to come? This is one chart you have to be aware of, right? What is this chart? This looks like a crazy chart, right? Well, this is actually gold versus Bitcoin. And we can see that gold got crushed, right? Where gold divided by Bitcoin. So gold used to be worth like 743 times as much as Bitcoin, 1 ounce of gold, and now it's crashed down to this level. What, like 0.05? 1 ounce is 0.05 gold. Look at this. Since this is not even since launch. This is since 2011. Okay, so gold absolutely got crushed by Bitcoin. We can't even see the price action anymore. Let me put it onto logarithmic scale. So now we can sort of see actually what happened. Now, the thing is, in defense of gold, since, first of all, gold bugs say that Bitcoin started from a price of zero. Gold was already, by 2011 or so, gold was already at $1,900, $2,000 per ounce. Right, so therefore it wasn't a fair comparison, and also they say that also 2011 gold basically went down to 2015, went down to a bear market, didn't really make a new high till 2024, like a real new high, right? I don't mean like a double top, a pop, and then come down. But what you guys have to be aware of, if you're a Bitcoin investor or if you're a gold investor, or if you're in general just worried about the debasement of fiat currencies, US dollar, Chinese yuan, Japanese yen, euro in general, is this gold versus Bitcoin. So this is a log chart, as I've explained to you guys, and this downtrend has held since March 2013. It's been 12 years. Boom, 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 boom. Gold just keeps on going down against Bitcoin. And then we've had this pop above in April 2024, retest of the trend line, and boom, up here we go.